Hello everyone, and welcome to Financial Freedom. Today we are going to discuss good debt versus bad debt, and how you can leverage good debt to build generational wealth. Good debt is typically considered as an investment that will help you improve your financial situation over time. Examples of good debt include borrowing money to invest in a business or education, purchasing a home, or financing a vehicle that is necessary for work. Bad debt, on the other hand, is generally considered as debt that is not likely to improve your financial situation and can potentially lead to financial difficulties. Examples of bad debt include using credit cards to buy unnecessary or luxury items, taking out payday loans with high interest rates, or financing a vehicle or other item that is beyond your means and results in high interest rates and fees. In summary, good debt can be seen as an investment in your future financial success, while bad debt can create financial stress and ultimately damage your financial well-being. It's important to carefully consider any debt before taking it on and to make sure that it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Examples of good debt: student loans. Taking out a student loan to pay for education can help increase your earning potential over time. Small business loan. Borrowing money to start or grow a business can lead to increased revenue and financial stability. Mortgage. Taking out a mortgage to purchase a home can be a smart investment in your future. Home equity loan. Borrowing against the equity in your home to make improvements can increase the value of your property. Personal loans for home improvements. Financing home improvements, such as a kitchen or bathroom remodel, can improve your living space and add value to your home. Investment loans. Borrowing money to invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets with the potential for long-term growth. Auto loan for reliable transportation. Taking out an auto loan to purchase a reliable vehicle for work can increase your earning potential. Medical debt. Taking on debt to pay for necessary medical treatment or surgeries can improve your health and well-being. Credit card debt. While credit card debt's generally considered not good debt, if the debt is used to pay for necessary expenses or purchase items that will produce cash flow, it can be considered good debt. Consolidation loans. Taking out a consolidation loan to pay off high-interest credit card debt can help you get on track to financial stability. Examples of bad debt. Credit card debt. Accumulating credit card debt to pay for luxury items or unnecessary purchases can lead to high interest rates and financial stress. Payday loans. Taking out a payday loan with high interest rates can lead to a cycle of debt and financial instability. Car title loans. Using a car title as collateral to borrow money can lead to high interest rates and the risk of losing your vehicle. Rent-to-own furniture or appliances. Renting furniture or appliances with high interest rates and fees can end up costing you much more than purchasing outright. Gambling debt. Taking on debt to fund gambling habits can lead to financial ruin. Personal loans for vacations. Borrowing money for a vacation can be financially irresponsible and lead to long-term debt. Luxury item financing. Financing luxury items such as jewelry, designer handbags, or electronics can lead to high interest rates and long-term debt. Retail store credit card debt. Accumulating debt on retail store credit cards can lead to high interest rates and the temptation to overspend. Personal loans for unnecessary purchases. Taking out a personal loan to finance unnecessary purchases, such as a boat or ATV, can lead to financial stress. Debt for non-essential services. Taking on debt to pay for non-essential services such as cosmetic surgery, spa treatments, or personal training can lead to financial instability. Using good debt strategically can be a powerful tool for building generational wealth. Here are some ways to use good debt to build wealth over time. Invest in real estate. Real estate is a great way to build wealth over time, as property values tend to appreciate over the long term. Using a mortgage to purchase a rental property can provide a steady stream of passive income and help you build equity in the property. You can then pass this property down to future generations, or use the income from it to invest in other opportunities. Start a business. Starting a business can be a great way to build wealth over time. You can use a small business loan to fund your startup costs and build your business over time. If your business is successful, you can use the income it generates to invest in other opportunities, or pass it down to future generations. Invest in education. Investing in education can help you increase your earning potential over time. Taking out student loans to pay for college or other forms of education can help you build a successful career and increase your income over time. This can also provide you with more opportunities to invest in other areas of wealth building, such as real estate or the stock market. Invest in stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds can be a great way to build wealth over the long term. You can use an investment loan to fund your investment portfolio and take advantage of compounding interest over time. This can provide you with a steady stream of income and help you build generational wealth. Invest in your retirement. Investing in your retirement can help you build wealth over the long term and ensure that you have a comfortable retirement. You can use a 401k, IRA, or other retirement account to invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets that can provide you with a steady stream of income in retirement. This can also be a great way to pass down wealth to future generations. Overall, using good debt to invest in assets that appreciate over time can be a powerful way to build generational wealth. It's important to be strategic with your debt and to make sure that you're investing in assets that will provide long-term returns. With a thoughtful approach, good debt can help you build wealth that can benefit future generations for years to come. If you find this video helpful, like now and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.